everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marie and on this channel we are talking all things fashion, beauty and shopping addiction. Today we've got a few packages to open and I am so excited because these packages are full of spring-summer trends, cool, fun accessories and even shoes. So if you've been looking for some advice on what spring-summer trends to shop for and where to find them, I got you. Here I've got a few things from Amazon which I've ordered myself and I've been dying to show you because these guys have been sitting on my shelf for a couple of days. Then there's this big boy from Revolve. I've also saved this one especially for this video, so it has been sitting and waiting for its chance to shine. And last but not least, this package is from the brand called AGL. It is an Italian brand which makes shoes and accessories and they are a family-owned business. They make incredible stylish designs and this is from their spring-summer collection. Alright, which ones should we start with? I think the biggest one and the heaviest one as well. I'm so excited about these. It is so colorful, very much spring pastels. Alright, let's begin. And the first thing is this cute little cardigan in blue. I feel like this color has been so popular, especially over TikTok, if you know what I mean. People have been calling it periwinkle, but I don't know, to me it's just a really nice shade of blue. And this is what it looks like. It's from a brand called Madrigal. Okay, next one. I love this color. And it's from Camila Coelho. Look at this color. It's so adorable. I have never gotten over the cycling shorts. I feel like it's such a staple, especially for summer wardrobe. I hope these will fit me though, but the color is so cute and they have this kind of ribbed material, which is really nice to touch. And what I love about pastels and colors like this is that they look so good together. The thing you gotta watch for is for them to be kind of the same intensity and then it's gonna be such a match and will look so good together. Okay, next one is this and I love this color as well. This cutest sweater is also from the brand Madrigal and I feel like I was so lucky because I got one of the last ones off the website. I just feel like it's such an elegant silhouette. I love the square neckline and I can't wait to try it on. And once again, look how well these colors go together. Perfect pastels for spring. Up next is something not so colorful, but it is a really interesting piece. I don't think you understand what it is just yet, but it's a really cool sweater. It's kind of like this, so this thing goes over the shoulder and then it's just like this one sleeve. It looks so chic. It is from the brand NBD and they've got some really stylish, edgy designs that I love. I already own a few pieces from them and I love them. As for the neckline, I feel like such graphic necklines are going to be so in this season and they already have been. Over the past few months, I've been seeing them everywhere. And lastly, the biggest item. This is from one of my favorite brands on Revolve, which is called L'Académie. I hope I pronounced it correctly. What makes this brand stand out to me is their really classy and elegant designs with a bit of a French chic. As for this item, I feel like it's going to be such a staple in my wardrobe because all the colors in the pattern, which are beige, grey and black, are going to go so well with the majority of my wardrobe. And the material is quite thick to keep you warm because I don't think that I will be able to go anywhere without kind of a throw on, at least not in the case. Okay, let's move to some bits from Amazon. Ooh, I know what it is. It's so exciting. I have been dying to get them. They have been all over Instagram and TikTok, and I'm a sucker for trends. So here we go. Yes, 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 yes. Doesn't it just make everything look so put together? And the next one, ooh, God, it's just such a mess. Oh my God, there's so much packaging here, but look at the colors. They are so adorable. To go with all of my spring pastel outfits. A little disclaimer, I'm going to leave all of the links to the products that I'm showing you in this video in the description below. You can use my links and shop through them, which allows me to receive a little commission. I assure you it's not a lot, guys, but it means so much to me when you use my links because it helps to support me as a creator. Especially now because my monetization has been turned off on this channel. Sad times. And finally, let's see some shoes. Oh my God, I'm actually going to do this off camera and I hope I survive. Okay, I have absolutely tortured the box. I'm filming some TikToks as well, so trying to multitask. And I bet both of these videos turn out shit, but at least I've tried. So these are so cute. I mean, I don't expect to wear them anywhere in the UK, but hopefully there are going to be some summer adventures in some tropical places coming for me. And for now, I'm just going to wear them at home probably. But these are so soft and the quality is always outstanding with AGL. So if you didn't know about this brand before, I hope this is going to be a really nice discovery for you. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments if you'd like me to do more shopping hauls. And if yes, what brand should I order from? I am always open to any suggestions and ideas from you. And now I'm left with an incredibly messy bedroom. I hope you did enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Hopefully it's not gonna take 2 more years to come.